Welcome students. I am Ms. Frida Pereira, Assistant Professor, Kamal College of Arts, Science and Commerce for Women, Nuve, Goa. The course title is Floriculture. Title of the unit is Garden Implements. The module name Different Garden Tools and their Operations. The outline of this module is Introduction and Different Garden Tools and their Operations. Learning outcomes of this module. The student will be able to explain the different garden tools and their operations. Introduction. A number of tools and implements are essential for house garden. Some tools are frequently used. A few other tools are required for specific tasks, and there are some tools which are seldom used in the garden. It is important to keep all tools and implements clean after use to prevent rusting. The blades of shears and of pruning and budding knives need periodic sharpening to maintain sharpness. Now let us see the different garden tools and their operations. The first garden tool is hoe. It is of medium or short length with a blade positioned at an angle. It is useful in digging up to small depths and in turning the soil efficiently. Second, pruning shears. It is a giant pair of scissors with about 20 to 25 centimeters long blades having a pair of wooden handles. It is used for trimming hedges, keeping the plants neat and in shape. Third, cicature. It is available in several shapes and the blade is 12.5 to 15 centimeters in length, curving inwards. It is used for pruning small branches up to pencil size thickness. Fourth is garden fork. It is used for loosening, lifting and turning over soil in gardening and farming. The tines allow the implement to be pushed more easily into the ground. It can rake out stones and weeds and break up soil. The fifth garden implement is trowel. It is made up of metal plate curved upwards from the sides. It is used to make small holes on the ground, turn the soil and transfer the seedlings. Next is pickaxe. This implement has one end pointed and the other end is flat. It is heavy and in the center hole, it is heavy and in the center hole in which a wooden handle is fixed. It is useful in hoeing, digging and for loosening the surface soil for weeding. The next garden implement is sieve. It is fixed with wire mesh and a support behind for it to stand slanted. It is either plastic or galvanized metal sheath mesh. A sieve of mesh size of 1 to 2 millimeters is used for sieving leaf mold, manure, for pot culture and also used to sieve fine particles of sand or for sowing tiny annual seeds in seed pens. The next garden tool is water can. This is made of galvanized metal sheet, a barrel shaped container with a connecting pipe at the bottom at an angle and a round metallic handle for holding the can. At the end of the outlet pipe, different type of roses can be fixed to obtain a shower of water. It is used for watering seedlings and washing off the dust from the foliage plants. These are the references. Thank you.